If you've been following my £1 a day challenge, you will now be more than likely aware of Swagbucks. In order to pass my goal of making £1 a day online, Swagbucks has been my predominant means of doing this for the past 3 months, whilst I build my brand online. So have you thought about trying to make some extra money online with Swagbucks too? Well, in this video, I'll tell you how it works and whether it is worth your time, or perhaps you need to look elsewhere if you want to make more money. For those of you who don't know, Swagbucks is an online site where you can sign up and complete surveys, play games, watch videos, and even search the web to earn points, of which you can redeem to make real money. In short, Swagbucks is a true and legitimate way you can make some extra money online. It is easy to sign up, it runs smoothly, and is very professionally done. From other survey sites I've previously tested out, Swagbucks is my favourite for sure. Over 3 months, and I've probably done about 100 or so surveys up to now. And out of all of this, I've only completed one for not to be rewarded the points. From my experience, this is rare to me, and it makes Swagbucks a pretty reliable site compared to the others. Plus, there's also plenty of surveys on offer. Other ones you have to wait for ages, or there won't be many. On Swagbucks, you could almost check on at any time and you'll find some surveys you could complete. So there's always something you can do. It's not like you have to wait around and be selective when it happens. However, one thing to consider is that the pay isn't really great. To give you context, on a typical day, I aim to make £1 a day online with Swagbucks. This typically takes around an hour a day, give or take 15 minutes or so. This is an awful payout, I know, but it is key to remember that this is an entertainment site, and some activities are fairly fun to complete. So something that helps motivate me when I have to get through this challenge is to think of Swagbucks as a time-killing activity, something entertaining to do on the side, and it will pay you every so often. So don't expect to get rich from Swagbucks. However, it definitely is a valid way of making a little bit of cash on the side. However, with that being said, there are some strategies I do like to use, which pop up every now and then, which pays nicely on Swagbucks. My favourite of which is my casino offer strategy, which I detail in another video, 5 tips to make more money with Swagbucks. I'll post a link to this video in the description and you can find it. So in conclusion, Swagbucks won't make you rich, and it definitely won't give you an income to live off of. But it is reliable, and it can be entertaining at times. If you want something not too stressful or challenging, to give you a little bit of extra cash on the side, Swagbucks will be a great option for you. You can check out the other video to see how you can best optimize this income. However, if you are searching for something to pay well or replace your job income, you will be much better off trying to start your own business and working on increasing your income that way. With the £1 a day challenge, I plan to build passive income streams so I can move off of relying on Swagbucks to make money online. If you'd like to track my progress and see what works, feel free to subscribe to my Money or Concern channel, where you can be updated on the best pieces of financial knowledge I pick up along the way, from investing to online business and anything in between that. So I hope you now know more about Swagbucks, and if it is right for you, let us know in the comments section below if you are going to give it a go, or if you have anything else you'd like to add on this topic. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful financial content.